Today we're going to build a crazy gaming machine for 1700 bucks for my subscriber, as you can see on last gen components. This PC is meant for Quad HD gaming on ultra settings. So yeah, if you're ready, let's get started. Hi guys, I'm Arsik and I'm so glad that you liked my Russian accent in the last video which I published. Thank you so much for the support. As you understood already, right now I'm going to build a gaming PC for 1700 bucks on Ryzen 7 3700X. It's a 8-core 16 threads processor from Ryzen. Of course you can try to search for Zen 3 processors like 5800X, but right now I couldn't find anything in the shop, so I bought this one. It's pretty good as well. Of course I will leave links in the description so you can check if you want. Maybe right now you can already buy it on Amazon, who knows. As for GPU, I chose the best one, in my opinion of course, RTX 3070. I think for that moment it's the best graphic card in this price and quality range. Okay, so let's go next to the motherboard. So for the motherboard I've chosen one of the best ones, but with a fair price. It's a Gigabyte B550M Tough Gaming Plus. It has everything necessary and even more. Also, this chipset includes PCIe Gen 4, which is nice to have for the future. To cool down the CPU, a company called Deepcool has sent me their new product, Air Cooler AS500, with great looks, amazing performance and of course RGB. Going to the next component, it's very important to have good RAM for your PC in dual channel. That's why we have here two sticks of DDR4 from Team Group and each stick is 16 GB, so in total this PC will have 32 GB of memory. As for the storage, it's just dumb to build a system like this without a fast SSD NVMe. So today we have here a Team Group PCIe SSD for 512 GB and also a bigger drive with 2 TB in it for games and other stuff from Western Digital. To supply power for this machine I wanted something solid, something very reliable. You can see here it's a Seasonic PSU called Focus GX650. As from the naming, it has 650 watts of total power. Because I wanted to build a compact and good looking PC, I've ordered this micro ATX case. It features tempered glass on one side, so we will see all our components inside through this tinted glass. Okay guys, so it's time for an epic build and later we will test it in games. So as a final result, we got here a simply brutal and incredibly powerful PC. And the tests in games on Quad HD resolution, which is 2560 by 1440, just confirmed it. The picture looks super clear and smooth, especially on my monitor with G-Sync. New games such as Assassin's Creed Valhalla and Watch Dogs Legion and internal benchmarks were running on 60 plus frames per second, even on high settings. You can see now on your screens even more results from the games which I've tested, and overall, this PC is just great in every task. So next week I promise you guys to show a more affordable budget PC just for 400 bucks. Stay tuned and don't miss it. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below. See you soon in the next video on the next week. Bye.